What is up? Welcome back to Command Center. We have a new build for you today. Yes, for the first time in a long time, we are building a computer on the Command Center. My name is Matthew Murdoch, protege of the mighty Quentin Reinhardt. And my friend Dennis and I, from Dennis's RPG night, are putting together this brand new computer. What we have right here is a brand new Intel motherboard with the Ultra 265KF processor, and we just recently installed the G-Skill 32 gigabytes of RAM, just enough for modern gaming. That was RAM hogs, but not that one.
What mean? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Bro.
yes. He's like, "Are you sure?" And we have to use
you know I'm broke, right?
we have to use the new 2 terabyte Crucial with
You know I'm broke, right?
14,500 megabyte per second.
Okay. Okay.
Because those games are storage hogs too. That way you can like have all the like, because it's already 200 gigabytes for a modern game. For some,
Hey, what's up, Don?
and we have Donald here, guest star appearance. But what we're really excited to get into is the RTX 5070 Ti graphics card with 16 gigabytes of VRAM, plenty of headroom for modern gaming, 1440p powerhouse, able to go at medium and high settings into 4K while retaining 60 plus frames per second. The new 5070 Ti remains on the 4 nanometer system that they used for the previous 4000 series, but it has increased thermal regulation due to the 3 fans on this specific model by MSI.
Ratchets and screwdrivers.
Oh, I got one right here.
Okay.
I had to buy my own. Yeah. Thank you, though. I'm thinking we'll have enough clearance for the, because we don't need to keep this cover on it. It has its own heatsink. Okay. So I do believe you put it in like this. Yep. And then
Installing the new
down
2
like
terabyte
that. Is that
Crucial
it?
SSD for all your storage needs.
And then you, I see, okay. Then you would screw that. So normally you would use this cover as like a heatsink, but this has its own heatsink, so you don't need to install
Many
that
new
over it.
PCI Gen 5 SSDs have to come with their own heatsink because they're quite hot with that fast reading and writing.
Keep losing that screw.
I see.
There. There we go, and that'll keep it locked in place. It's a little nervous and fidgety here. You don't want it too tight, just it's enough to hold it in, yeah. Alright, we got the RAM, hard drive, processor. Let's get the graphics card in. How about that, huh? This is a beauty. This is a... Alright.
It's like Christmas.
5070 Ti. All thanks to Micro Center here. Now let's... yeah. We're of course going to keep all the boxes. I don't I guess this is an ad. Comes with ads now, I guess.
Everything comes with ads, Dennis. Even Windows. Even if you paid for it.
This and that and this. What is this? I have no idea what this is. No idea what that's for.
Look at that beauty.
Yup. What is that thing? Is that a screwdriver? Hold on. I just want to. I know. I'm getting distracted. I need to know what the heck this thing is. What are you? What is this for? Do you know? Do you know what this?
I actually don't.
All right. Is this just kind of a support for it?
It's that heavy. It needs a support.
For some, maybe for some cases or motherboards, you might need that.
That's a heavy card.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
No. I don't know what. I know what this is. I know what that is. I don't know what you use that for. Anyway, this is it. This is the latest generation of NVIDIA 5070 Ti. It's
The Blackwell generation. And we got really close to MSRP on this one. That was beautiful.
yes. Oop, take off the plastic, of course.
I thought it was just that shiny.
Yep. More plastic right here. And the top PCIe slot here is usually for the graphics card. Alright. Make sure I have space and clearance. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's when you put it right next to the motherboard, you realize just how big it is.
What are we doing here? Do I have to? Yes. That's why it wouldn't fit. Alright. That's a little annoying. I have to kind of hold this down while putting this in. And I'm so scared to like put force on this. Okay. So hold that down, line this up. And it should kind of go in, right? Okay. That should latch it in. Nope, not yet.
It is in there the right way, right?
It's in there the right way, for sure. Is it? Yeah. How else would it go? Like, it lines up, the notches line up. I also could have put it here, actually.
It's gonna be right next to the
You would think this would kind of
SSD.
secure
So
in place. Hold on. So it is attached, like, lift up the motherboard when I do that, but, yeah. Okay. Oh, I need a better viewing angle here. Yeah, hold on. That's, okay. Yes. That's in. As far as I can tell, that is in. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all we can do before we put it in the case now. Okay.
So you want to break here?
Yeah, let's do a break. Yeah.
All right. The final screws for the power supply have been installed on the brand new build. While you were away, dear audience, we were installing the cooling system for this bad boy. Let me walk around and show you. We have our liquid cooling solution directly applied to the CPU with a little bit of elbow grease, hooking up to its thermal radiator up here. Thermaltake, thank you for your beautiful design. It snakes above the graphics card, not interfering with the graphics card. And with a 1000 watt power supply installed in the bottom, we have more than enough power for any component upgrade we would need. What was that, Dennis? 661 watts rated?
Yeah.
Six-
Not enough overhead.
661 watts this current rig is rated, and we have 1000 watts, giving us a 339 watt overhead.
Look, it's upside down. I just now
The
noticed
power
this.
supply? Oh, I thought it was actually supposed to be that way. It
I
was.
don't think it really matters.
So should I have said something?
You should have. Oh well. I don't think it really matters because plugs are just gonna go in.
Well,
There, through in.
let
through
me,
here to the motherboard.
dear audience, let me see.
What's going on here?
Welcome back. Right now we are setting up the monitor for the new gaming PC, and this is, I believe this is an ROG Republic of Gamers 1440p 280 hertz gaming monitor from Micro Center. A little bit of assembly required as we need the stand there. The stand has a locking mechanism for safety. It's a gentle curve. It's not an extreme curve like mini monitors. It's a gentle curve, so it doesn't obstruct most of the area on the desk. It's very ergonomic, and we have part of the stand right there. That's the back plate, actually, I believe. And we have the PC all made right there.
Yeah.
Looks like the beginning of a fan, honestly.
Do I have to screw that in? No, I don't. We'll see. Looks like it just backs it on. Taking some of the last bit of tape and stuff off of it. Yeah. Looks like it just goes right in. Just get in here. That was easy. That was really easy. Check this out.
Press the easy button.
Yeah. Alright. Comes with a nice little bag. All the way and get a brand new PC with the latest graphics card, so let's do it. Ooh, that is an issue.
You have to hook up Wi-Fi.
Yeah, let's get... That's annoying, isn't it? Let's go Wi-Fi really quickly here. Let's go.
Continue. I believe you already started the game.
Well, I wasn't gonna, like, this wasn't gonna be a main file. It was just gonna be a let's show off the game thing.
Is it responding still?
It's not working. I don't know what's going on here.
I don't think it's the internet. Try with the keyboard. The mouse or the keyboard and mouse work?
Oh, yeah.
Disable the controller then.
I don't think it's the controller. Something's... Well, that's the darndest thing because this is working on the monitor upstairs. And now it just is crapping out on us.
a few technical difficulties, folks. We'll be back with you shortly.
Can I zoom in somehow? I want to see his hair.
All right, the game is working now, folks.
Yeah, I want to see all the individual 5 strands of hair. I can't zoom in any further. There we go. Hold on.
If you can see the FPS counter in the corner, folks, it's ridiculous. It's a 200,
and this monitor can actually display that, which is nice.
I'm actually running it at 30 frames per second on this video, so that
accompany you there.
I probably need to go to a higher
Ready to
resolution.
see her again.
Yeah. Been ready.
Grass can be a little iffy with rendering, but this
We did
is
it.
really nice.
We did it. The game works. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that FPS counter right there. Look at that.
Look at the nice flowers. That is pretty. Oh yeah.
Success.
I set up these grapple shortcuts. Nice, huh?
Oh,
Don't tell your
boy.
sister though. I sort of borrowed the hooks from the Expedition Academy. Wish I had them when I was
My
working as
X
a
is over
courier.
there. I got it. Yeah.
Come on,
hold
good
this to
stuff.
run.
Speed up a bit.
Yeah, I figured
Sophie
it out
will
right
have already
now.
demarched by the time you've arrived.
Right.
Can't believe Sophie already turned 33. She looks
Oh,
so much
no.
younger than you.
She's gonna die because she's 33.
She's popular. I'm
33
sure
is
she
old,
already
by the
has
way.
a necklace full of flowers.
If you're 33, you're very old.
What?
You look tense.
Yeah,
Look at his hair. Look at his hair. You can see individual strands of his hair.
I know what you need.
The only thing that bothers me, the game is absolutely beautiful. The animation is lacking. The way he moves is too robotic.
Yeah.
Come on, it'll loosen you up. You can't go and see Sophie all somber and tense.
Just a bit. Yeah.
And if you win,
Jesus.
I'll give you something you can use with your Lumina converter.
All right. You're on.
Yes!
Bribery? Really, madam?
Do you wish to go through the tutorial during our duel? Yes. I've never played this before. Oh boy. And attack. Alright. Try attacking to gain 1 AP. Okay. I'm gonna have to attack her? Okay.
Whoop her butt.
How'd I parry? How'd I parry?
Parry this, you filthy casual.
Look at that! Look at that! Epic reaction times. And then now that I have skills, I can use them. For AP, I can use skills. Sure. Okay. Oh yeah, wrong button. During attack can also parry. Parrying recovers 1 AP as well. Okay. Yes, got it. Okay. There we go. Easy. Easy game.
For those who come after.
You won? Now,
Alright,
don't
that's
you
the
feel
tutorial
all
battle.
right?
That was really difficult.
Now, let's go find Sophie. I saw her near the red and white tree.
Yeah.
All right, we did it, everyone. The gaming computer is set up. It is looking beautiful, and we will have more
Oh, the
beautiful
plaza
gaming
is
content
lively.
coming to you very
Why
soon.
people like to celebrate
This is
the
Matthew
Gamage
and
is
Dennis.
still-
All right, everybody, we are back for another quick clip, the finishing clip to this
You won't
build
regret it.
video. We were actually on low settings. For some reason, the game had taken down the graphical settings for a little while. But we have brought it back up to full native resolution. There is no upscaling on this. The textures are now as high as they can go. Everything is set
Oh
to
yeah,
epic
look at
and
her.
ultra.
That is
Much smoother. The animations are better. Everything
final
looks
spot?
fantastic on
Yeah,
the
it's
game now.
amazing.
Surprisingly
It looks
triangulated
way better
expeditions
now,
in
yeah.
those landing sites.
Theoretically,
Like when it zooms in on the people and stuff, you
extrapolated from
can
the
see it.
archives, but that was 67 years ago. So much of the landscape has changed.
And again,
I
we will
trust your
have more
calculations.
footage from this game
Thanks.
as time progresses.
It's a good strategy.
This is going to be quite a
They're the only
marathon
expedition
of a
with any
game
sort
right
of
here.
Assuming the
Lots to
records
do.
correct, like
Lots to
calculations
do.
are correct.
There-
They left
yeah.
clear markers that
You need a drink.
I believe
Math.
it's like a 40-hour game.
go away.
But
Probably
the
side
way I
quests
play
as
these
well.
games, it's probably more like 60.
That's the way I play too. I spent 200 hours in Fallout 3 doing about 100 hours worth of stuff.
Right. Yeah. I just like talking to all the people, seeing and reading everything. Like, so I'm very scared of missing out on any like hidden items or side quests
Hey,
and stuff
sir?
like that. Ooh, look at Catherine.
You okay? Wanna?
Yeah. Actually, no.
That's okay.
Did we get her in our party?
What about you? You say goodbye.
Oh, that was over ages ago.
Oh, sorry.
Eh,
I really thought you guys would work out.
it's for the best.
Okay, update folks.
peut-être la plus
We
grande
found
source
out
de
that you can
félicité
have the
qui
whole
soit.
game in French, and being a French aesthetic game
Ça
with
va,
painting
triste,
and
content,
artsy stuff,
La
we decided
princesse nous aura
that the
volé.
French language is more appropriate.
Non, tu te méprends.
We don't understand a
Dans ma
word
tête,
they're
je suis
saying,
libre désormais.
but it doesn't
La
matter
princesse ne
because
peut
you
plus rien
can
me
feel the French.
Yes, this
C'est
is
mon dernier
much
acte
better.
The
de
French
Comme
language,
le tien est de prendre
the
part à
French people, they
l'expédition.
penetrate you.
Oh yeah.
Si tu le dis.
Yup. If you say so. What do you want to
Je
do?
viens tout juste de finir de calibrer le convertisseur de Lumina. On pourra lancer les premiers tests dès qu'on arrivera sur le continent. Parfait. Dis, tu trouves pas que Lune a l'air préoccupée? Bah, c'est Lune, tu sais. Peut-être, mais cette fois c'est différent. J'ai rien remarqué, mais tu la connais mieux que moi.
I feel more
Tu lui as parlé?
cultured doing this, watching
Yes,
this.
we are.
Non.
Omelette
Elle
du
déteste
culture
tes questions
fromage.
personnelles. Je
Omelette
la connais
du
depuis qu'on a 6 ans.
fromage.
Crois-moi, elle
Omelette
déteste
du
ça.
fromage.
Ah oui, c'est vrai que vous étiez tous deux les apprentis de ses parents. Ouais, disons juste qu'on rigolait pas tous les jours avec eux. J'imagine.
Okay. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Come on, what's up?
Gustave, on a quelque chose pour toi.
Oh no, what is that? What are they giving us?
A book.
Tiens, pour que tu puisses prendre des notes. Comme ça, quand tu reviendras, tu pourras tout nous
It almost
raconter.
looks like a grimoire.
Yeah.
Le musée le
But in
voudra à
this
ton
world,
retour.
art is
T'imagines
magic, kind
le
of,
récit
so
complet de
probably
l'expédition
is a
qui a
grimoire.
détruit la peintresse.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, et si jamais tu trouves des journaux des autres expéditions, pense à nous les rapporter surtout.
Lore. It's gonna be
Je
so
vous
much
promets
lore
que je
to
continuerai
discover.
fidèlement la moindre de nos aventures, même les plus folles.
Is that a ham in the
Et n'oublie
background?
pas les névrons surtout.
Ça va sans dire. Et en échange, jurez-vous solennellement de vous occuper du dôme bouclier en mon absence? La sécurité de Lumière est entre vos mains.
The sécurité de lumière.
Promis,
Adrien,
je mettrai à profit tout ce que vous nous avez enseigné, monsieur G.
je ferai bien d'aller
I am
voir
Monsieur
Maël. Il doit
G.
être tout seul, comme d'habitude.
You can call me Monsieur G. Yeah, that's a piece of ham. Just sitting out here. Hey, give me some of that ham. Okay.
The lack of interaction with regular objects is bothering me a little bit.
That's pretty typical for RPGs like this, though.
I want to be able to push everything over and knock it over and pick it up and throw it.
No.
I want it to be like a Valve game, just
Ooh, who is she? Who is this
Salut
one?
Amandine, tu t'amuses bien?
Amadine?
Eh, salut mon
Oh
mignon.
my.
T'arrives pile à temps. Je coupe les cheveux de tout le monde avant qu'on y aille. Faut qu'on soit tous sur notre 31 pour quand on verra la peintresse, pas vrai?
C'est sûr que c'est important. Tu peux me les couper à moi aussi?
I can change my
Sans
style.
problème. Ce sera juste un
no
chemin.
oblo frame case.
Prêt pour ta nouvelle coiffure? Commence par aller me chercher un jeton. Je te...
Oh, I need a token. You need tokens to change your hairstyle here. That sucks.
Tu le regretteras pas.
Oh yeah, this guy. What?
Il n'y a
Oh, I
pas de
pressed the
honte à
wrong
perdre
button,
face
that's
à
why.
quelqu'un qui est plus fort que toi, tu sais.
It's not like she used a curse word.
Okay, keep pressing the wrong buttons. God
J'espère
dang.
que ton convertisseur de Lumina vaut mieux que ta science du combat.
Oh, nope.
And frame rate is still off the races. On the moon.
What the hell? Okay. Okay. Very on time. No. Okay, I suck at this.